At RedClean, we understand that responsible roof cleaning and all exterior cleaning is not just about maintaining the appearance of your property. It's also about safeguarding the environment. That's why we use and offer free critical cleaning solutions: Benz Lightning Cleanse, Algoclear Plus and Safewash. Let's take a closer look at these products. Benz Lightning Cleanse. Benz Lightning Cleanse is a powerful yet eco-friendly solution that removes moss, algae and other organic growth from roofs. It contains carefully formulated ingredients that effectively break down and remove unsightly growths, leaving your roof looking pristine. Algoclear Plus. Algoclear Plus is another one of our trusted products known for eliminating algae and lichen from roofs. This solution contains active ingredients that work diligently to restore the natural beauty of your roof while minimising the harm to the environment. Safewash. Our commitment to safety and sustainability is evident in our Safewash product. Safewash is designed with the environment and safety of those using it in mind. It is an environmentally responsible choice for roof cleaning that does the job without compromising our planet's well-being. The impact on wildlife. At RedClean, we are acutely aware of the roof cleaning chemicals' potential to impact wildlife and ecosystems. Here's why it matters. Chemical runoff. Rainwater can carry these substances into nearby waterways when cleaning chemicals are used on roofs. This runoff can contaminate aquatic ecosystems, harming fish, amphibians and other marine life. We catch all the chemicals in temporary downpipes. Birds and land animals. Birds and land animals can ingest chemical residues on roofs or in runoff. This threatens their health and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Ecological consequences. The consequences of chemical pollution go beyond direct harm to wildlife. It can disrupt food chains, damage habitats, and upset the delicate environmental balance that sustains life on our planet. Environmental regulations and guidelines. At RedClean, we take our responsibility to the environment seriously. We adhere to stringent environmental regulations and guidelines. Regulatory bodies. We closely follow regulations set forth by governmental agencies and environmental organisations that oversee cleaning chemicals. This ensures that our practices meet the highest ecological standards. Compliance. Our commitment to compliance is unwavering. We work diligently to ensure that our roof cleaning operations adhere to all relevant regulations, promoting eco-friendly practices and minimising our environmental footprint. RedClean's commitment to sustainability. At RedClean, sustainability is more than just a buzzword. It's at its core of our values and operations. Company values. We are driven by a deep commitment to eco-friendly practices and reducing our environmental impact. Sustainability is not just a goal, it's a way of life. Certifications. As a testament to our dedication to sustainability, we proudly hold certifications and eco-friendly labels that validate our commitment to environmentally responsible cleaning. Product development. We actively engage in research and development to create and promote environmentally friendly cleaning products and methods. We aim to reduce our environmental footprint while delivering top-notch results continually. Alternatives and best practices. At RedClean, we believe in providing not just effective cleaning solutions, but also guidance on responsible practices. Eco-friendly alternatives. We encourage eco-friendly alternatives for roof cleaning. These options have a lower environmental impact while delivering the same excellent results. Best practices. Whether you're a professional or a homeowner, we offer valuable tips and best practices to minimise your environmental footprint during roof cleaning. Responsible cleaning is not just possible, but it's essential. We've had the privilege of working with numerous satisfied customers who have experienced the positive impact of RedClean's environmentally responsible approach. Customer testimonials. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers who have witnessed the effectiveness of our eco-friendly roof cleaning solutions. Our before and after photos speak volumes about the transformative powers of our products. See for yourself how RedClean can restore the beauty of your roof while preserving the environment. At RedClean, we're not just about cleaning roofs, we're about cleaning them responsibly. Our commitment to sustainability drives everything we do, ensuring your property looks its best without compromising the planet's health. Choose RedClean for a cleaner, greener future.